mileage blocker for Lexus, from Super Kilometer Filter. After installing mileage blocker, you need to activate it. You can activate it from the steering wheel control panel, or with a smartphone application. You have full access to the device from the app. After entering the settings and mileage data in the app, you can start driving. At the moment, counted mileage on this car is 13.3 kilometers. After driving a few kilometers, the calculated mileage remains unchanged. As you can see, the device works perfectly.